In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2023 Nissan Maxima. First, we will lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I am using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. Now, let's jump into the process. We'll start off taking out the first screw from the corner using a Phillips screwdriver. Then we will take out the second screw, which is right besides, followed by taking out the third screw. Take out the fourth screw as well. Then going forward, we'll take out a bunch of 10mm screws. Here I'm using an impact gun with a 10mm nut setter, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter. One by one, we will be taking out these screws. We notice there are 5 10mm screws in total in the middle. Then again on the other side, we will take out 4 screws using Phillips screwdriver. Now this screw right here is being taken out. It's just stuck with the bumper, so we can move forward. That was the final screw from underneath. Now we will jump onto the corners. Here we will push the fender liner to a point where we can have an access to one 10mm screw right there. It's a 10mm screw and we will be taking out with a gun and 10mm nut setter. Once the screw is out, now we can slightly pull the bumper from the edge. Notice the bumper is not completely coming apart. Reason why the tab of the bumper from the edge is stuck. We will be needing to push this tab using a plastic trim remover tool. We will be pushing this tab upwards from inside, and that is the only way you could get this tab out, just like that. Tab is out. One portion of the bumper is also taken out. This side already had a damage, but the process is exactly the same as of the other side. Just replicate the steps I showed earlier and you should be fine. Now we will open the hood and jump onto the top part. Here we will take out a bunch of clips together one by one using a door upholstery remover. Do know if you are taking out these clips for the very first time, they will be a little tough to be pulled out. Once the clips are removed, now we can remove the top cover, and you will notice there are actually 2 more clips that needs to be taken out. Now we can slightly pull down the complete front bumper, but notice there is still something holding onto it. It turns out there is actually one plug underneath the headlight that needs to be pulled out. Followed by another plug on the other side of the headlight underneath that also needs to be pulled out. With the final plug removed, now we will try to pull down the front bumper. There we were able to knock out the front bumper completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.